digging this hair or whatever, hit the subscribe button. And yeah, if you want to keep up with me, follow me on Instagram at iamLindaElaine and Snapchat at your Mexican Beauty. So let's get into it. I don't know why I'm pointing that way. Okay, so hello my lovelies. Can we just take one moment to appreciate that this is my first ever frontal wig that I did by myself. And look how freaking, I almost fell. Look how freaking flat it lays. Like, disregard the fact that I didn't do my edges. But, you know, I have a lot of edges, so I'm not like able to like pull frontals like super close, because as you can see, my edges is real close to my brows. So I'm just gonna do my own natural baby hair, and I cut some baby hair from this. But if you can tell, my hair is a bluish turquoise, and I literally just finished this wig like an hour ago. So I'm just going to give you some specs on this hair really quick. I'll leave the links below, but look how freaking full this hair is. Again, this is Julia hair. If you're digging the color, hopefully it's picking it up. If you're digging the color, please leave a comment below and I will definitely put up the tutorial for how I colored it. But yeah, I'm running late like usual, so I just wanted to do a quick styling tutorial with you guys if you're ever running late like your girl over here. So I'll stop talking and shut up now and get into it. I got two tools right now. I got a curling wand and I also got a flat iron. I'm gonna take some heat protectant first and spray my weave. I'm just gonna take big chunks like this, because we ain't got no time to do no individuals, mad small. You know, the struggle's real. I have this on 450, which I don't normally have it that high, but we ain't got no time. All right, so I'm gonna shut up now, just, you know, enjoy this curl tutorial. Definitely want to hold it for a little bit too. That's major key. And let it go. Anybody wondering, this is from my favorite ever hair company right now, which is Julia Hair. I'll leave all the links and specs of this hair in the description box below. I've never actually used a company more than twice. This is my third time using Julia Hair, and like literally each time I'm like in love. Like, as you can see, this is straight hair and it's like holding a curl with no issue. So that makes this curl tutorial go even faster, because we ain't got no time for no hairspray and none of that jazz. Your girl is late. Big ups to Julia Hair once again for sending amazing hair. And I've actually heard a couple people who said they purchased from Julia Hair and also said they really like it. So it's not just me. And it's super affordable, so no complaints. Ooh, it's getting hot. It's getting hot in here. Ooh, I really am burning up. Ooh. As you can see, I'm not even parting. I'm literally just grabbing the sections with my hands. Like, that's how pressed for time I am. But it's okay, I promise you it'll still look cute. Now for this part, I'm gonna curl away from my face. So that it's like more of that flowy type look. I really like that, the hand movement. Okay, moving on to the next side. So I definitely think that the trick to quick curls is making sure you hold them so that it holds the curl, rather than just letting the curling wand just drop down and drop the curl. It doesn't hold as well. But I could be wrong. I don't know. This is not scientifically proven. Am I talking English? I feel like I'm not talking English. I don't know what language I'm speaking. Maybe there's just a lot of spit in my mouth. I need help. Now for the bang part, I'm gonna kind of wrap in a straight direction like this. Because I want the bang to kind of fall over like that. You'll see in a second. Why are my hands always ashy? Every tutorial I feel like my hands have been ashy. I really gotta like do better. I really do. I really do. Make sure we didn't miss any pieces. Miss this one right here. Make sure we didn't miss any on this side. Now just use your hands to just gently comb it out. Gently. And then for some of them, after you comb it out, you're just gonna wanna roll it so that they kind of become kind of unison. Alright, so now I'm not done, but I'm gonna go into baby hair. So grab whatever gel's on hand. I got the Glued Got To Be. And I'm just gonna do my baby hair as I normally would. And I did cut some baby hair on this. I don't know if I said that already. And I did not glue it down. I'm literally just going by the elastic band method. Man, my sideburns are so long sometimes. Like they keep growing, I don't know. If the rest of my hair grew as fast as my sideburns, I would literally have hair down to my butt crack. Literally. Alright, so now taking the flat iron, I'm gonna take this front piece and I'm just gonna bump it. Right there, and just kind of hold it like that. So I have like a little cascading bang or whatever. And then for this side, I'm gonna do the same thing, but go on the opposite way. Gonna take it and bump it going this way and hold it. Let it fall. And boom, that is it. This is literally my quick 15-minute curl tutorial. I cannot believe I just beat my hair, or I didn't beat anything. I slayed my hair in under 15 minutes, and this is on a wig that I literally just made. So if you're digging this hair, let me know. Leave a comment below if you want to see this color. Booyah. Also leave a comment below and I will definitely put up the tutorial. Julia hair, you're amazing. I'll leave all the information about this hair in the description box if you want to check it out. What else am I missing? I hope you have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is, and I shall see you later. Bye. My hands, oh God, my hands are so dirty and ashy. Bye. Hold the phone, hold the phone, hold the phone. If you are like myself and have never made a frontal wig before and you are interested in how I made mine, leave a comment below as well, and I would definitely film a tutorial for that because I was super scared about frontals, but now I think I'm in love. So if you want to see like a beginner's type friendly thing, because obviously I'm still a beginner since this is my first wig, I will definitely do a video on it. Let me get going. This is why I'm always late. Okay, bye.